the reasons really why a lot of companies are looking to digitally transform is really kind of like to gain a competitive advantage. So at a business level, perhaps, what competitive advantages would you say companies that adopt Sparkplug are afforded?
So one is certainly that you free up resources to innovate, right? By simplifying the problem of infrastructure and picking from a stable of products that have been certified to work with the Sparkplug specification, then you spend more time to build new products or deliver services to your customers. And that's certainly one big dimension out of it. The other, of course, is that by leveraging Sparkplug, you join a whole ecosystem which is completely open. In the sense that if you think about OPC, OPC is great technology, okay, but it's developed behind closed doors. You have to be a member of the OPC Foundation to get access to the specs, and of course, if you want to submit new ideas for new versions, well, you have to be a member of the club as well. So that's really the old approach, let's say, to industrial automation, where you have to be a member of the club and things happen behind closed doors. In the case of Sparkplug, we just published Sparkplug version 3. We started the work on Sparkplug version 4, and everything is happening in public. So the new changes to the spec will appear at some point on GitHub. If you have ideas for Sparkplug, you can submit them, open an issue on GitHub, and discuss directly with the people working on the spec or on its open source implementation, which is the Eclipse Tahoe project. And you don't need to be a member of Eclipse or anything like that. You just come with your ideas, and of course, maybe the team will decide to take your idea or not. There's no guarantee. But there is this open conversation. And this is a game changer, because what we're trying to build here is a successful ecosystem. And a successful ecosystem is always an open one.